David Goggins, the man who redefined the limits of human endurance and mental toughness. His story is one of transformation, resilience, and an unyielding spirit. But who is David Goggins, and what makes his journey so extraordinary? Let's dive in. David Goggins was born on February 17, 1975, in Buffalo, New York. His childhood was far from easy. Raised in an abusive household, he faced physical and emotional challenges from a young age. His father, Goggins, owned a roller disco rink where David was often forced to work long hours. The relentless abuse and harsh conditions left deep scars on young David. After high school, David joined the Air Force but was medically discharged due to sickle cell trait. He fell into a cycle of depression and unhealthy habits, eventually reaching a weight of nearly 300 pounds. At this point, David's self-esteem was at an all-time low. But everything changed one night in 1999. David watched a TV show about Navy SEALs and decided he needed to transform his life. Determined to join the SEALs, he embarked on a grueling journey to lose over 100 pounds in 3 months. Despite numerous setbacks and 3 attempts, he finally succeeded in becoming a Navy SEAL. Goggins didn't stop there. He went on to become an ultramarathon runner, triathlete, and world record holder for the most pull-ups in 24 hours. His list of accomplishments is staggering, completing over 60 ultramarathons, triathlons, and endurance races, often placing in the top 5. He also served as an Army Ranger and earned the title of Enlisted Honor Man in his class. What sets David apart is his mindset. He believes in embracing suffering and pushing beyond perceived limits. Goggins calls this the calloused mind, a mental state achieved through relentless effort and enduring discomfort. His philosophy is simple. When you think you're done, you're only at 40% of your potential. Goggins' story has inspired millions worldwide. Through his book, Can't Hurt Me, and numerous speaking engagements, he shares his journey and the lessons learned along the way. His message is clear. No matter where you start, you have the power to change your life through hard work and mental toughness. David Goggins' story is a testament to the power of the human spirit. From a troubled childhood to becoming one of the toughest men on the planet, he shows us that with the right mindset, anything is possible. So, the next time you face a challenge, remember the story of David Goggins and push beyond your limits.